Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to remove green screen from your image. Now let's begin. As you can see here, I have already uploaded an image with a green screen as the background. Now I will simply click on the image. And on the menu bar, I will find something like Edit Photo next to Flip. Simply click on the Edit Photo. And go to BG Remover. Do remember, this is a Canva Pro feature. Simply click on BG Remover. Wait for a while. And there you have it. The background, that is the green screen, has been removed. Now I can also add another element to the image. Well guys, this is how you remove green screen from your image and change the background. Hope you liked this video, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.